Hey, Matt here at Big Pine Sports, and we are going to show you, if you don't know already, where to find the tire specs for the CFMOTO Z10 and the Z10. So whether you've got the 2-seater or the 4-seater of these CFMOTOs, we're going to show you where you can find that information so you know what your tire pressure should be. So obviously the first place that you can look is your owner's manual from CFMOTO. Now, if you have one of these and you have, misplaced your manual, one of the other places that you can go is CFMOTO's website, and under owner's manuals, all you got to do is look up your machine, and within the first few pages, it gives you all the vehicle specs. Now, if you don't want to do that and you're out buying your machine, this is actually the easiest way to find it without, digging through your glove box and looking for your manual and everything. Just right here on top of the pillar, this is where your tire pressure will be on the 4-seater and the 2-seater. So right there, 22 PSI. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I've never done that before, and for some, checking tires isn't a big deal, but for those who haven't, all you got to do is get you a pen gauge like this. So this right here, these are two different styles. There's a low pressure and a high pressure. Whichever one you get, you want to make sure that it can read anywhere from 15 to 25 PSI so that you can check that you have the proper tire pressure on your Z-Force. Then you'll take this little pen gauge right here, you'll come down to your tire, and you will locate your valve stem. Pull your valve stem core off, or excuse me, not your valve stem core, your valve stem cap off. You'll put your pen gauge right there, and it'll tell you what your pressure is. So let's take a look at this one. See how it went up over 20? That's a good sign, meaning that it's over 20 PSI, but this gauge right here won't tell me exactly what my pressure is. It's too high for this one. So we'll set that out of the way. There we go. That one's actually showing 24, so we can bring that down a little bit. And this little knob right here on the back of it, that allows you to let a little bit of pressure out of your tire. So you can get it, set it to what it needs to be. Now, why do we check tire pressure? Because maintaining proper tire pressure is going to allow the top performance out of your tires. It's going to produce the longevity that you want to get out of them, plus the traction that you need out of them, plus the handling that you want out of them. Now, the manufacturers don't just put it on there for fun. They test these. They see which pressures are definitely going to work the best with your machine. So, if there are questions or comments, put those down below. And if you have not seen these, they're coming and going quick. As soon as they get here, they're back out the door. So if you want to see one of these CFMOTOs, come down, chat with us, give us a call, 435-427-3338. I'm Matt out here at Big Pine, and we'll see you in the next one.